In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently print your Google Calendar as a PDF. This can be incredibly useful if you want to share your schedule with someone who prefers a physical copy, or if you simply want an offline record of your upcoming events. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening Google Calendar. You can do this by simply heading over to your web browser and typing in Google Calendar. The first result that comes up should be the right one, so go ahead and click on it. Now that we're in Google Calendar, you should see your calendar events for the current week or day, depending on your view settings. Next, let's navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a small drop-down menu. Click on it to explore different view options. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll want a broader view of our schedule, so go ahead and select Month from the list. This view allows us to get a comprehensive look at everything we've got planned for the month, ensuring that we don't miss printing any important dates. Once you've selected the month view, direct your attention once again to the top right section of the screen where you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Clicking on this gear icon will open a drop-down menu presenting you with several options. What we're interested in right now is the print option, so go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click print, a new window will pop up giving you a preview of what your calendar will look like in print form. It's a good opportunity to make sure everything appears correct with no missing days or awkward breaks that might obscure your events. Once you're happy with the preview, it's time to move on to the next step. In this print preview window, you'll also notice another print button. Click on it and it will open your browser's print dialog. Here, you have the opportunity to choose various print settings depending on your needs. Finally, let's save our calendar as a PDF. Instead of choosing a printer from the list, select the Save as PDF option. This is a handy feature that allows you to store a digital version of your calendar on your device, ready for sharing or printing later. After selecting Save as PDF, hit the Save button and choose a location on your computer to store the file. And there you have it, you've successfully saved your Google Calendar as a PDF. This file can now be printed, emailed, or kept as a digital record, ensuring you have access to your schedules in various formats.